Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can link Twitter account in Temu. So if you're new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar. Now type Temu and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Temu. And when you have logged in and signed up successfully, this is the interface that is shown to you. And when you are inside this interface, you just have to look in the navigation bar in the right hand side. There is Orders and Account button. Just click on Orders and Account button. And when you click on that, the Order section would be opened. And now you just have to look in the left hand side. And when you look in the left hand side, you just have to scroll down until you see Account and Security button. Just click on Account and Security button. After that, the Account and Security section will be opened. Again, now you have to scroll to the button. When you have successfully seen that interface, and in the third party accounts, there will be Facebook, Apple, X/Twitter. So in order to link Twitter account, you just have to look in the right hand side of the X. There is link button. Just click on the link button. After that, pop-up box will be open. Now you just have to enter your username or your email and your password. And you just have to authorize app. And when you have been authorized and verified by Twitter, you will be able to link Twitter account in Temu. So this is how you can easily link Twitter account in Temu. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.